What's up, everyone? Welcome back. I'm making this video because somebody was asking me if they could make a giant plume of dirt from like a giant step from a giant. So I'm gonna kind of throw that together using this VFX pack. So what I'm gonna do is start off with the wind, the dust wind, or fountain, whatever you want to call it here. I'm gonna grab this and hop in here. I'm gonna make a duplicate just so I don't change the original. Go ahead and open it up. Alright. So let's get that out of the way. Come over here. Bring it into the level so you can see it. Alright. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to get rid of spawn rate and do a burst. And we'll shoot that up to 1500. There we go. And let's might add a little bit more. Poof. There we go. Of course, it's playing on repeat, but we can adjust that here. It's on infinite. Let's change that to once. And while it's selected, so when you activate it on your footstep, poof. And if you didn't want a circle, maybe you want to adjust the, change your cone. So your cone is choosing your axis here. So you could adjust the angle of your cone axis here, your inner cone. You get different effects by going through this stuff. But just remember that you're duplicating it, so you're not changing the original. That way you could always go back, make something new, a different effect. Alright, well, yeah, that's my version of a giant footstep using the ONLYDIRT VFX pack available on the Epic Marketplace. Yeah, if you have any more questions, go ahead and hit me down in the comments. Be glad to help out where I can. Alright, if you're still watching, thanks for watching. Peace out, everybody.